Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to hide phone number on Signal application. If you want to use Signal without sharing your real phone number, then in this quick guide you will know exactly how. First of all, open up the Signal application on your smartphone. Once you're inside the main homepage of Signal after logging in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now click on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy from the Settings menu and tap on Phone Number at the top. Under Who Can See My Number, select Nobody. Your phone number will not be visible to anyone unless they have it saved in their phone's contact from now onwards. You can also go ahead and select Who Can Find You by Your Number. If you don't want anyone to find you by typing your number, select Nobody under Who Can Find Me by Number and click on OK. And just like that, after doing so, you will be able to hide your phone number on Signal application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.